Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to clean up startup apps for a faster boot in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you want to remove or disable or clean up your startup apps for a faster boot, so let's see how we can do that. So you can do this setting or you can also do this from your task manager. So very first I'm going to open my settings here, and in settings just go to apps, and here go to startup apps. With the startup, click on it, and here you might see all the apps that might have access to run on startup. So you can enable and disable these toggles or any of your app you want to run in your startup. So let's say I want to enable for these. Now you can also do the same tasks from your task manager. Just go to search and search for task manager, open it. Now once you are in task manager, you just have to click on details, and here you can see details view of your apps. Then go to startup apps to see your startup apps. Here the startup app I have just enabled with the WhatsApp. I'm gonna disable this. Just click on it, right click on it, click on disable. You can do the same task with any of your apps you want to disable on startup. Once you have done, just go back, and in this way you can easily disable your startup apps to have a faster boot in Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.